Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can change the P sounds in your chess.com game. So of course you need to be signed into your account, and once you're logged in, I want you to click on the settings cogwheel icon on the lower left corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on all settings. Now do take note that this is not available on your mobile. You can only toggle the sound on and off. You cannot change anything beyond that. So let's wait for it to load. There you go. So here, once you are in your boards and pieces, which is the default page you're going to see here under settings, you want to click on pieces, right? And then scroll down to the very bottom until you see sounds, right? It says sounds, right? Sound theme. So it's by default. There are a few options here. You have nature, metal, marble, space, beat, silly, laws, lulls, newspaper, pebbles, and events, like the Esports World Cup. For example, you would just want metal. There you go. And then here, you can actually try the sound. So that's the sound, right? You can hear it. You can go with marble. You can try the sound again. I think that sounds better. After that, you can click on save sound theme like so. And as you can see, when you see the check mark, that means you have saved your new P sound for your game. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.